In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Fusion markets to Tradingview. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to tradingview.com. From here, you'll need to either log into your account if you already have one or sign up for an account. From here, it should bring something like this, and here you'll need to go over to products. Once you click on products, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go down to the trading panel and scroll down until you see show all brokers, and then you'll need to scroll down until you see Fusion markets. You can also search for it up here like so. As you can see here, Fusion markets will appear, and you can add it to favorites if you want to do that by clicking on this star right here. But to connect, you'll simply need to click on it, and then from here you'll see this page right here. From here you can choose either a live account or a demo account, depending on what type of account you have created inside of Fusion Markets. From here you'll need to enter your Fusion Market username and your Fusion Market password. From here you'll simply need to click connect, and then you'll get a notification over here in the left hand side where it will say that you have been connected to Fusion Markets successfully. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!